Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Student, this is Ms. Priya Rathore and today I am with English subject. And for that you have to open your book number 3. As you can see, please take out your book number 3. And book number 3 you have to check out the page number 2626 and 2727. Okay, please mention today's date over here, that is 19 10 20. Please mention classwork over here, and same you have to mention date over here also, 19 10 20 and classwork. Now students, just read what we have to do over here on page number 2626. Okay, we have to trace the letter, means we have to trace this letter and cross the picture whose name does not start with I, and we have to cross that picture that's not start with letter I. So let's start tracing first. As you can see, the first step is we have to make one standing line from blue line to blue line like this. Do it slowly and make one dot over here. Okay, which letter is this? It's small I. What is this? Small I. I, what is the phonic of I? I says E. I-E, iguana. I-E, ice cream. Now tell me, which picture is not start with letter I? I-E, inkpot. Yes, inkpot is start with letter I. I-E, clock. No, it's not. So it's not start with letter I. So we will put cross in this box. Okay, now we have to trace and write over here, means this letter means letter, small letter I, we have to trace and write over here. So let's do it. So the formation of letter I, you have to make standing line, small standing line from blue line to blue line only. Okay, this blue line to this blue line only, like this standing line and one dot. Small I, speak with me, small I, only blue line to blue line. Okay, your line should not be go out from the blue line. You have to write small I from blue line to blue line like this. Okay, now here no dots are given over here, so ask your mama to put dots on blue line like this. Okay, if you are able to write without dots, so no need to put dots, you can do without dots. Okay, like this standing line and one dot. And speak with me, I-E, iguana. I-E, ice cream. I-E, India. I-E, invitation. I-E, injection. I-E, inkpot. I-E, inhaler. I-E, ice cream. See students, in this way you have to complete page number 2626. Now please come on the page number 2727. Okay, what we have to do over here, we have to color the pictures whose name start with letter I and write capital and small both I below them. Okay, so firstly we will write it, then we will color it. Okay, so first of all tell me, I-E, inkpot. Yes, it is. So we will write capital I and small I both. Okay, make sure your letter should be touched to this bottom line. Okay, now tell me, I-E, apple. No, it's not, so leave it. I-E, injection. Yes, so we will do like this. I-E, bat. No. I-E, inhaler. Yes, so we will write capital and both I below this inhaler. Now tell me, I-E, iguana. Yes, I-E, iguana. So we will write I over here also. I-E, cake. No, it's not. So leave it. I-E igloo. Yes, it is. So we will write I like this also. Now students, you required color box. Okay. This is your color box. And you have to open colors. Okay. And where you have written letter I, you have to color that picture. Okay. So here I am going to take dark blue color for this ink and I am going to color it. Make sure do it slowly because pictures are very small. Okay. In this way you have to fill the picture. Okay. Now this injection, you can use this gray color. Fine. And for inhaler you can use purple color. Make sure your coloring should not be go outside. Okay. And you have to speak some more words that start with letter I, as I have explained in my live session and my previous video also, that I-E inhaler, I-E iguana, I-E India, I-E igloo, I-E ice cream. Now for iguana I am going to use dark green color. Okay. You have also used only single coloring. Okay, because right now you are doing only single color, so use only single coloring for this. And for igloo I am going to use blue color. Okay students, in this way you have to fill your pictures that start with letter I. Fine. Now students, I am going to show you your workbook also. Okay, this is your English workbook. Okay, please take out your English workbook and check out the page number 3131. Okay, in this also you have to mention today's date, that is 19/10/20, and please put tick on classwork. Students, here we have to write letter I, small I. Say, trace and write. Okay, we have to speak and write like this: I-E inhaler, I-E inhaler. As I told you in my book 3, in the same way you have to do the work in this page also. On page number 3131, like a small I, I-E inhaler, I-E iguana, I-E ice cream, I-E ink pot, I-E India, I-E island, I-E injection. Student, in this way you have to complete this page number 3131 and you have to submit these 3 pages on Google Classroom by 5 p.m. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.